Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using little treats. And this is a sweet little treat box we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using the Little Treats bundle, and we're going to be using this Happy Halloween. I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Cut and Emboss, and I have a piece of plaid tidings. And then I have our little treat box. Doesn't this remind you of the, like, candy corn? That's what it reminds me of. So I'm going to put it on here on a diagonal. And I also have the magnetic cutting plate. Now, you don't need it really for this, but I had it, so I wanted to use it. All right, so let's see how that cut out. Look at this, guys. It's like magic. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, so everything is cut. We're gonna do our stamping real quick and then cut again. I have a piece of Whisper White, and I'm going to come in with pumpkin pie, and then I have our stamp mounted on clear BLOCKB. So just like that. And now this is where I wanted to use the magnetic platform for it, because I wanted to make sure that this got in the right spot. So just like that. And then I have a piece of our black glitter paper, and then I have the little spider that coordinates with the little treats dies. So we'll run that through. Okay, let's put this away because that's all that we're using that for. So, look at how perfect. And you guys, how cute is this glitter spider? Like, he is so cute. There he goes. And I like how his legs look like they're real, you know? Okay, so let's put this together. I'm going to grab my bone folder here. And I'm going to make sure that I fold all the lines. And they are pre-scored for you. I just like to crease them and make sure that they're exactly where I need them. All right, so just like that. And then these little tabs tuck into the corners here. Now, I'm going to grab my adhesive and just going to put some down at the bottom here. Make sure that that stays secure. All right, so that is our treat box. And with everything going on, I thought it would be appropriate to put a little hand sanitizer in there. So, whoops, that one came open. So let me go ahead and glue that some more. Maybe I didn't put enough adhesive. Okay, that should be better. So you're going to run your ribbon through. And this is the black glitter organdy ribbon. I love this ribbon. Okay, so then we're going to get our little tag here. I won't be making these for everyone, but I will be making them for some neighbors and nephews and such. All right. There we go. And then my ribbon scissors. So just like that. And you can adjust the bow however you'd like. And I'm going to come in with my black Stampin' Dimensionals. Let's see. Yeah, big one should do fine. And I'm just going to put it right here. So there you have it, a quick and simple Halloween treat. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!